Welcome back to my channel. Today let's start with the practice that we did before at 100 metronome, at 100 beats per minute metronome. Alright, so let's do 2, 3, 4 using CDE 2, 3, 4 first. That will be page 17. So we're going to do the piano first with right hand. So softly press these three together, C, D, E. So the piano and forte is also called dynamics, right? So we're going to the left hand side with the forte. So drop your wrist and go up, drop your wrist and go up, drop your wrist and go up, drop your wrist and go up. Alright, we already did this, but try to do this every time you're going to touch the piano or before touching the piano. Alright, so we're going to do the interval warm-up. Try to do that 100 BPM for now, or if it's too fast you can slow it down to 80. Right now we're going to try to do it like 100 BPM. Let's do so 1, 2, 3. This is saying to use your 1, 2, 3 C, D, E, and this is all called interval of seconds, so we're just gonna use C and E, and this is F4. Alright, similarly we do the left hand interval warm-up, but same thing with the 1 and 3, or in this case 3 and 1. So this is piano. Now we're going to do with 2 and 4. Similarly, 2 and 4 with the left hand piano. Okay, that's one piece done. So now we're going to learn about the seconds. Before we did the intervals. Basically, interval is the distance between the two keys. Seconds would be the interval of second. That means basically up or down, or it is also called step. So the key next to it will be the seconds. And here we can see scale. The word scale comes from the Latin word scala, meaning ladder. So basically it is saying like one ladder, like climbing up or down. The notes of scale move up or down by seconds, so steps. Penta is Latin for 5, so a pentascale is a 5-note scale. So we're going to learn about like pentascale today, 5-note scale. So it says place right hand fingers in the pentascale. So C, D, E, F, G. So try to go to 5. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Come back like that while singing it. So always try to put your nose right in the C, middle C, and do not move. Even if you have to play here, just try to put your nose right in front of that C. So let's play this at 100 BPM. So we're going to put C, D, E, F, G, and this this side, and C, D, and middle C, D, E, F, G, and your right hand side. So let's play it. Try to play in each beat. So it is saying F and P on repeat. So forte and piano. Forte first and piano second. So let's do the forte first. Let me do that again. Now forte is done. We'll do that in piano. So the difference between forte and piano would be while you're doing forte or F, you drop your finger, like you raise your finger higher and drop it like this. But while you're doing piano, you just drop it like gently. You don't have to move your finger too high. It's just like a little. Let's do this one more time. Let's do it by calling name. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, 2, 3, 4, D, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, 1, 2, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So do that one time in forte and second time in piano. Let's go to thirds. So basically this is the same thing. Before it was scale, now it's gonna be third. Third, we are going to skip in the middle, second one note in between. So the second we are going to skip seconds. So it's gonna be 1 and this 3 middle finger and the last one pinky finger. 1, 3, 5 C, E, G. So alright, let's do that again. So this is similar to before, forte and piano. So we are going to do forte first and the piano second. Let's try forte first again. 4. Now piano. So we're going to the musical form. So we're going to learn Ode to Joy today. So there are like section A. These are divided in section A1, section B, and section A1. So the first one would be A, which would be measures 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 would be the first A, and the second one would be A1, because there is a difference at the end. 5, 6, 7. At the 8 and 4 is different a little, so it's gonna be A1, and 9 would be totally different. So 9, 10, 11, 12 are totally different, so we're going to call that B. And 13, 14, 15, 16 are similar to A1, 5, but you have to use your both hands, so we're going to call it A1 again. So we're going to practice this. Alright, that's the end of the class. Keep practicing. This one is a little tougher for the beginners. As you can see, I struggled a lot, so practice and see you in the next class.